Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my applesauce. Okay, so for this recipe I'm using a variety of apples. I'm using Gala, Fuji, and Honeycrisp. To me, the applesauce tastes better when it has a variety of apples. But you can use one kind of apple if you want, it's still good. I'm going to use my potato peeler to peel them, and I feel like this works best when it comes to peeling the apples. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. And be sure to click the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. I used to think I'm someone that doesn't like applesauce. I was like, that's just not my thing. I don't like applesauce. But after I started making my own, I realized how good it tastes and how much I love applesauce. I feel like I'm that way with a lot of food. I always think I don't like something, but then when I end up making it from scratch and just make my own, it just tastes so different and so good. It's just that I don't always like processed foods that come in a can or box. Now I'm going to core these, and I could just never get this right. I don't know about you, but I could just never core it straight down through the core, you know? It always goes on the side. I don't know why I even have this thing, because I could never use it right. Some things I just don't have good judgment. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm going to cut the apple in half, and then I'm going to cut that half in half, and then I'm going to finish cut out the core that I didn't get to. I'm going to slice each quarter in about 4 pieces, and then I'm just going to chop that. I don't want them too big or too small, just the right size. If you know anything about me, you know that I love fall season. Fall is my favorite season. So I'm all excited about all the new fall recipes I'll be putting out. If you love fall like I do, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below and let me know what you're excited about this fall. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir that until everything is mixed together. Cover this and let this cook for 30 minutes on medium heat, and be sure to go in there and stir it halfway through. if you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so come follow me. So this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. And I just wanted to give it a stir and make sure the apples are soft. And now I'm just going to remove this from the heat and set this aside and let this cool down before I tend to it. Now that it's nice and cool, I'm going to put it in my food processor. Now, if you don't have a food processor, you can use a potato masher, and that will give you more of a chunky applesauce, but I like it chunky too, so it all depends on how I want my applesauce to be, but I love the food processor too, so it all depends on how I feel. I'm just going to let this go on high and process until it's smooth. If you want to, you can use brown sugar for this recipe. You don't have to use white sugar, and it will still be good. I love it with brown sugar too, but I feel like the apple flavor is more prominent with the white sugar. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this is. And it's so good. I wish I could share with you guys. Homemade is definitely the best. Now I'm just going to put this in my container and put it in the fridge. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did. I hope you give it a try. It's so easy and so good. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.